everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a basketball court and there's this shaded region that needs to be repainted, and the contractor requires some measurements to estimate the cost. Well, we can model this with a composite figure which is made out of a semicircle and a trapezium. Okay, so that is what we are going to do, and I'm going to share with you how to find the perimeter and the area of this figure so that we can help this contractor. Alright? Well, from here we can see that the perimeter I will have 5.92, 6. There's another 5.92 here, meter. Well, there's this semicircle where the radius is 1.8 meter. Okay, so from here, then we can then see that, hey, I would then need to solve for the semicircle. The semicircle, please remember, is 2 pi r. I will still need to times half. Half of 2 pi r, where the r is 1.8. That's why you get half times 2 pi times 1.8 plus 5.92 plus 6 plus 5.92. Okay, well, this gives me a value of 23.495 to 5 significant figure, followed by 23.5 meter to 3 significant figures. For the area, we just need to have the semicircle plus the trapezium. Yeah. So for the semicircle, we wouldn't have the half of pi r square. Okay, so that is the red color one. For the trapezium, do take note that the parallel sides is this in green, and for this length AB is 1.8 plus 1.8, which is essentially the diameter lah, and the height of this trapezium is 5.8. It is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines, and so you can then see that the working looks like this. The semicircle, which is this, half times pi r square, plus my trapezium, where the trapezium I will have the sum of the parallel side multiplied by half multiplied by my height of the trapezium. This gives me a value of 32.929 to 5 significant figures, and final answer 32.9 meter square in 3 significant figures. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.